India da lona changlak leiriba illegal immigrants singasi aikhoigi nungsi chanana leiriba khunai lona sida Akaiba Pibata Nattana national security Dasu threat Tourakli haina India ge vice president Jagdeep Dhankhar na phongdokre wafam singarang New Delhi ge vice presidents enclave ta pangthokpa mangarak suba batch ki Rajya Sabha internship program da Jagdeep Dhankhar na phongdokibani Rajya Sabha gi chairman su oiriba Jagdeep Dhankhar gi social media account X ta Lakiba post amada mahakna wangang laduna hauzik India da illegal immigrant million kaya leiri masi karam na leibakasi soklam moidoribano masi aikhoige sovereignty da singna banatabara haina hanki maramdi illegal immigrant singna seasonariba mayamasi aikhoigi oiba resource haibadi health education na chingba asidagini aikhoigi yelho mina fangadaba lenga ki thabak fawba makoina munba horakle makoina aikhoigi electoral system da changsinaba fawba honarakli basi karamna democracy shida threat tawde haiga doribano haiki illegal immigrant asi aikhoigi leizariba ingna chikna leiba khunai lona sida apanba pibada natana national gi security da fawba threat tawrakli Maramaduna, Mahaki Thaza Badilinga Gasina, illegal immigrant asi, line lofum thokte, Masiki problem asi athu Badawaroshin Puraknaba, Tabak Lokat Pafagani, Masida no Mafawba Tintabada, Afaba Oiraklu Haina Fongdoki.
We have to see the challenges, and challenge to the nation is millions of illegal migrants are living in our land. Millions. Is it not a challenge to our sovereignty? Such kind of people will never be wedded to our nationalism. They use our resources of health, education and other facilities. They engage in jobs meant for our people. I expect everyone in the government to take a severe look at this. This problem and resolution of it cannot be delayed even by a day. How can a nation suffer illegal migrants in millions? They are a threat to our democracy because they are trying to influence our electoral system. They are also a threat to our societal harmony, to our national security,